This is how we would write linear equations using 2 points. Remember, our pattern for linear equation is y equals mx plus b. And using this, we are going to write an equation. M is the slope, and b is the intercept. So this is called the slope-intercept form of an equation. We also need 2 points. So the points that we're going to use today, let's say we are given this information that we have a line that passes through the point 3, -1, and also the point 12, 26. So that means that our goal is to find an equation, a y equals mx plus b equation, that fits both of these coordinate pairs. First we have to find slope. There's lots of different ways to do that, but essentially we want to remember that slope is equal to your change in your y values over your change in your x values, or rise over run for the difference between any 2 points on a line. My method that I like to use is to just stack up my points. So I can do 3, here's my x values, and here's my y values, -1, and I'm going to subtract, because that's what it is when you find the change between something, my other values, which is 12, I'm going to put parentheses around these, and then 26. 3 minus 12 is -9. And then I remember I'm subtracting this amount, so -1 minus 26 is -27. Remember, this is my y value. This 27 is my y value. So that means my change in my y is going to be this one right here, which is -27, over my change in my x value, which is this one right here. And that is going to equal -9. -27 divided by -9 is equal to +3 over 1, or simply 3. Now we're going to use our slope of 3 in our equation. Second step, use slope in y equals mx plus b. So I have y equals 3x plus b. Now we're going to work on using 1 point in the equation for the x and y values. So I'm going to choose to use this one right here, the 3 and -1. So I'm going to say y, which is my -1, is equal to 3 times, and in this case the x value is 3, plus b. Then I'm going to solve for b. So -1 equals 9 plus b. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. I'm going to get -10 is equal to b. Now that we have all of the parts of an equation that would be in slope-intercept form, we're simply going to plug them in. So I have y equals, my m is 3, so that's going to go here, my x value, and then my b is plus -10. You could also write y equals 3x minus 10. And that is how you find a linear equation from 2 points.